Good evening. Next we will be doing few numericals which I have chosen for you people so that you should have an idea of type of questions related to this chapter. So there are basic few questions which you need a practice. Here the first one you can see here written: calculate the binding energy per nucleon of calcium nucleus given the mass of calcium nucleus, the mass of neutron and the mass of proton. Since it is asking us to calculate the binding energy of the nucleus, so here we are with the solution. This is the solution. So calcium nucleus is having 20 protons and 20 neutrons. The mass of each proton and each neutron is provided to us. So first of all we will calculate the mass of 20 protons multiplying with the individual value of mass of proton. Then we have to calculate the mass of neutron as we multiply 20 into 1.008665. So all these two values are actually the total mass of protons and total mass of neutrons present in the calcium. So total mass of the nucleus, that is the summation of mass of protons and neutrons, is going to be 40.3298 atomic mass unit. And next will be the mass of the calcium nucleus, which is already provided to us as 39.962589 atomic mass unit. Since they are asking us to calculate the binding energy, the formula for binding energy is del mc square. So del mc square, where del m is my mass defect, and as we have till now calculated the mass defect, so I think you people are familiar with the value of the mass defect. So these are the values of mass defect. Here I have represented as mass of proton, means these are the mass of 20 protons, mass of 20 neutrons and the mass of the calcium nucleus. So as soon as I substitute the values here, the total mass of protons plus mass of neutron is this much. So I have just substituted this value over here. No need of calculating once again. If you are calculating in this step, then no need of calculation here, and if you are not showing this step, then you can calculate here also. So 1 atomic mass unit, as we all know, it is 931.5 electron volt. Okay, so the del m, that is the mass defect which we are calculating, is given in atomic mass unit. Now if I have to calculate the energy in mega electron volts, then what we have to do, we have to multiply the del m, which is represented in atomic mass unit, with 931 electron volt. It could be 931.5 or 931 electron volt. So if I multiply these things, then the energy is always provided in mega electron volt. Why we are multiplying, that we have discussed earlier. So the binding energy per nucleon, the next part of the question they are asking, what will be the binding energy per nucleon? This is the binding energy of the calcium nucleus. Binding energy per nucleon. Nucleons, how many nucleons are there? Total 20, because total 40, because 20 protons and 20 neutrons will sum up to give 40. So per nucleon will be the total binding energy divided by the total number of nucleons present in the calcium nucleus. So the second part we are going to get it as 8.547 mega electron volt. Okay, now coming to the next question, that is calculate the binding energy per nucleon of the iron nucleus given the values of iron, mass of iron nucleus, mass of neutron and mass of proton. Okay, so this one also we will calculate it now itself. How you are going to calculate? It will be the same process, nothing new in this. So here is your solution.